Good morning, dreamers. We have arrived in Nassau in the Bahamas. So we decided we're not going to get off the ship today just because we have been to Nassau a bunch of times and we want to spend some time on this amazing ship, the Symphony of the Seas. So we're going to skip Nassau and just play on the ship. But first things first, tummy is a grumbling, as Pooh says. So we're gonna go get some breakfast, and we're gonna get some breakfast in something called the solarium. Now the solarium is the adult only area, and it is amazing. And since there's no kids on this trip, we're gonna head over there and just have some breakfast and then just kind of chill and enjoy the scenery here in Nassau. Are you guys hungry? I know you are. A super yummy breakfast at the Solarium Bistro, except Francine saw it first.
Yeah, we both. Where's the jelly?
Jelly.
It was coming out. I lost mine. There it is. Oh, there it is.
So we were being good and then decided, nope, jelly donut, we're gonna be bad. Yummy. They have this little area in the front of the solarium and they call it the King of the World, kind of like Titanic, where you can come stand out and see the floor underneath you. Really, the water underneath you. How cool is this? The Symphony of the Seas has this amazing suite called the Ultimate Family Suite, and we're in it right now, and let me say, it is truly ultimate. I'm in the kids area. They have their own slide that goes from the kids area down to the living room. The bathroom is cool. You even have this amazing view of the Aqua Theater downstairs. This room is truly incredible. Actually in the kids' bathroom in the Ultimate Family Suite, and the reason I'm in the bathroom is because everything is little. Like, look, the table, like the sink is little for kids. The bathtub back here is little for kids. They thought about everything for this suite. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. They even have Legos. They even have Legos. You can play Legos on the wall. Kelly would love this place. Price-wise, the Ultimate Family Suite is $15,000 to $17,000 per person per week. That's a lot of money, but this place is awesome. I would never leave the room. I would just hang out in the suite the whole time. And you have your own popcorn maker, popcorn, and your own sodas. So really, why would you have to leave the room? I would just stay here the whole time. only do you have this incredible room inside, but outside you have your own ping pong table. The kids have their own climbing area that they can just climb up and down, and then all this overlooks the boardwalk. And you have the playground, you have the mini golf, the flow rider, and you can even see some of the aqua theater. So really the best room, best view. We're gonna go to Central Park for lunch, but I wanted to point this out because this is the coolest thing ever. They have umbrellas. Just in case it rains, you can grab an umbrella to walk through Central Park. How nice is that? Because literally you are outside with grass and plants. But we're gonna head over to get some lunch here at Central Park. And they have a great little kind of like cafe, which is a Central Park cafe. And that's where we're gonna get some lunch today. For lunch, I actually got a 3-cheese panini. Looks so good. Look at all that cheese. It's like a grilled cheese to the max. And they even had white chocolate cranberry. Is there macadamia? No macadamia. White chocolate cranberry cookies. Christmas in a cookie.
Yeah, that's the point. It's not in his job.
Good lunch. Champion pizza guys. I am all dressed, ready to go for some evening activities. We have lots of fun tonight. First off, we have this hairspray. They just delivered a can of hairspray. Isn't that the cutest thing? So that's actually one of the shows tonight that we're going to see. Hairspray live on stage, and I've never seen that Broadway show, so I'm really excited about that. And then we have dinner, and then we have Hero, which is this amazing, there's water and projections and divers and all kinds of craziness, aerial arts. It is gonna be awesome. I am so excited about that show. I'm gonna go spray my hair a little bit more and get ready to go watch Hairspray, the musical. I'm ready for Hairspray, the musical.
Awesome.
Just in case you guys forgot, today's Wednesday. We're in the Royal Theater. Very fancy. Cool. All the drinks. Ooh, look at that drink with the green stuff. What is that? That looks good. It's got green stuff.
Okay.
We have dinner tonight at the main dining hall. The great thing about the Royal Caribbean ships is they have in the main dining hall 3 different levels, but it's one amazing restaurant and very elegant. So I'm excited about having dinner tonight. I think I may get prime rib for dinner tonight. One of my favorites. After dinner, we are at the boardwalk and we are gonna ride the carousel. It's so cute! Fun! Hero was amazing. Yeah, Brandy's in the front going, it's amazing. It was a really great show. I mean, they had people on slack lines, they had people twirling, they had divers and dancers and great music. It was, you didn't know where to look. It was just exhilarating. It was such a great show. Whew. So a fantastic way to end our second night here on the Symphony of the Seas. And I'm really sad to say tomorrow we have to leave. But don't worry, we still have some fun tomorrow before we get off the ship. But for now, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and definitely subscribe so you can join us on our next adventure. Keep on dreaming, and we will see you then. I don't have any hands, but love you all.